RENB stock analysis and RENB stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything. So as I'm looking at Renovara stock with a 4% correction, I mean, I had like an idea way before that, which was right here, which sort of pumped up and then delivered, but it was always here. And I do have previous receipts with RENB. Doesn't pop up in the Discord, I know, for whatever reason, but ultimately what I'm looking at is just a bearish market. I mean, I'm just going to stick to something I've tested for 42,000 videos, for fuck's sake. Like, not going to try and reinvent the wheel. And this is what I'm not saying. I'm not saying this thing cannot pump up. It obviously can. But me, like, all I care about is a double break confirmation. If I don't get that, I guess I'm not selling. Very simple, mate. Very, very simple. So if you do want to learn how to make a 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. Stay tuned for free.